today's class. In this class, we are still looking at change of subject of formula. Like I said in a previous class on this subject, we are looking at WAEC past questions on this particular area. Some questions we ask change of subject of the relation. Some questions we state it as change of subject of the expression. While some we ask it as change of subject of the relation. In any way they ask it, they are all the same thing. Look at what we are looking at, this question. 2011 theory number 2A. They say T equals to square root of P Q over R minus R squared over Q. How do we go about this? And they say we should make this Q the subject of the formula. So we'll have something like this. We have T equals to the first thing we have to do is, what do we do to remove this square root? This square root. So what we will do is to square both sides. If we square both sides, you will see that this square will cancel this. So we will now have T squared will be equals to P Q over R minus R squared Q. Right? And you can also say that, you can also now say over 1. Because R squared Q and R squared Q over 1 are the same thing. Anything divided by 1 is the same thing. Why we are making it over 1 is that this one has a denominator. So let's the right hand side, the two sides of the right hand side have a denominator. So we now have R and 1. We have to find the LCM. LCM of R and 1 will be R. R divided R will give us 1. 1 times this will give us PQ minus 1 divided R will give us R. R times R squared Q will give us R cube Q. R will now be 3. It used to be 2. Now, still remember that our goal is to make Q the subject of the formula. We have to make this one over 1 and cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we now have R T squared, this one will times this, right? 1 will times this, equals to P Q minus R squared Q. What do we do? We now have Q here and Q here. The thing we'll do now is to factorize. It will now be R T squared equals to, we have Q here and we have Q here. This one has Q, this one has Q. So let's bring the Q out. We now have Q P minus R squared. R Q, you understand? Why did we bring the Q out? You can say that Q is here and Q is here. If we want to change it back, Q times P will still give you PQ minus Q times R Q will still give you RQ. So that is the same thing. We just factorize and brought our Q out. Now, we now have R T squared equals to Q P minus R Q. Remember, our goal is to make our Q the subject of the formula. What do we do? How can Q be alone? If we remove this bracket now, you see that Q will be alone. So divide both sides by P minus R Q. Divide both sides by P minus R Q. If you divide and divide, you will now have that R T squared over P minus R cubed is equals to Q. That's the same thing as saying that Q is equals to R square, RT square over P minus RQ. This is our final answer. Now, remember what we did? We just square root to remove this. We just square both sides to remove this. After we did that, we made this one to have a denominator by putting 1 here. We now find the LCM giving us R. After we find the LCM with times, then we cross multiply and we got this. That is how we landed at this. You might not have understood what we did, so I encourage you to listen to this. Watch this tutorial video slowly. Take your time to watch it slowly. Then watch some other videos we have done on this change of subject or formula. If you have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment section. If you have any question or any topic we have not handled that we want us to focus on and handle, feel free to send us an email in the email address provided in the description. If you have not subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe right now and click on the bell button so that you will get notifications anytime we post a new content. Invite your friends, invite your classmates to also subscribe so that we can keep learning. Go ahead now and watch some other videos we have done on chemistry, English, mathematics, and many other subjects. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.